Good morning, this is Bill speaking. Your beloved Flora is not turning on. You need me to come look at her. All right, give me about 15 minutes. I'll be right there. Beloved Laura? And he's calling a computer store, so I'm guessing it must be his computer. Let's go find out. Meet Laura. Now, when I got there and I seen this is what it was. Now, this is an older client. I asked him, why did you name your computer after your wife? I mean, she passed away years ago. Old age and treachery. He goes, this way I can continue to push her buttons every day. Absolutely. Gotta love old people. So you'll be glad to know that Laura is just fine. She just had an update running in the background, and so with a mechanical drive it took longer than normal, but it's up and running, and it's doing what it's supposed to be doing.